It is May 1st and the beginning of Mental Health Awareness Month.
Kansas City skyline's turning green to commemorate the day. Fox 4's Crystal Martinez live with that view tonight. Crystal?
Well, John, Lauren, it is a beautiful sight to see, but let it also serve as a conversation starter, maybe calling up friends and family and asking them, how are you doing? Now, today we spoke with people who work closely addressing mental health issues in Kansas and Missouri. One group is looking to bring more resources to its community. The other is helping out our kids. Since it opened a little more than a year ago, Children's Mercy has helped between 200 to 300 teens through its new clinic treating depression and anxiety.
With limited resources, limited mental health professionals, it's been a really nice possibility for some families in our community.
Dr. Ram Chettiar with the clinic says about 75 have completed the program from start to finish, which includes different services like individual and group therapy, medication management services. It's also a 9 to 12 month program,
which is a little bit unique. What we are trying to do is get kids better quickly so that they can kind of move on with their lives.
Over in Johnson County, Kansas, Good Faith Network, an interfaith justice organization, is working with other community leaders to open the county's own first crisis stabilization unit.
Where now their options are, especially if law enforcement has to get involved, is waiting in an ER or jail. And having a mental health crisis is not a crime.
If you have a physical health problem, you call your doctor, but people don't typically know where to turn if they have a mental health issue.
While 988 is now available to anyone needing help over the phone, the unit is expected to open by the end of this year, with about a dozen beds designated for people in a mental health crisis. A start to a problem everyone agrees is not going away and needs to be urgently addressed. And it is just the start. Children's Mercy says this day clinic is just one of 14 projects they expect to launch over the next 5 years. It's part of a comprehension plan that they have that will address early intervention and even increase intake at the hospital. Now, as for Johnson County residents, if you want to hear more about what the Good Faith Network is doing, the problems it's addressing, and its solutions, they're hosting an event next Tuesday. We have that information on our website. John.